Hi guys, this is Mansi. You may know me as Max Play on YouTube. I play GTA, Minecraft, many other games. I try to make funny, entertaining videos. You might find them funny, you might not. But yeah, hi, this is Max Play. Basically, I've been playing games since my childhood. I have an elder brother who used to play GTA a lot. So I used to play a lot of GTA and other games with him. But then I kind of got drifted and got completely into education like a typical student. I got very inclined towards education. I got 95% in boards, flexing. But yeah, I did that and then I studied into Delhi University. And then I started working at a very early age. So I started working when I was 17 years old. In fact, I was one of the first few employees of the company that manages me today. So I started working in the marketing industry, and I loved it so much. Like just being the part of an industry like this, it was so amazing for me. And deep down, I thought like I wanted to be a YouTuber. I thought like I could do this. I could, write great scripts and I could come up with funny content. So I always wanted to do that. But I was very low on self-esteem at that point of time. So I didn't even have the courage to go up to people and tell them that this is something I want to do and this is something I'm planning to do. So I just let it go. And after like 2-3 years when lockdown hit, that's when I started gaming very aggressively. Like I would play games for 8, 9, 10 hours a day. And that's when I finally thought like, okay, I should get up and start a gaming channel finally now, because I have all this extra time and I can do this. I've been wanting to do this since a very long time. But initially I was very scared because there were only like 1 or 2 female gamers at that point, and they were not very appreciated in the community. They used to get a lot of hate in comments and in live streams and stuff like that. So that really scared me a lot initially. But then I thought, okay, let's just go with it and we'll see whatever happens. And that's how I just started my YouTube channel. And to my surprise, when I started, the audience was very supportive. Like I just never failed any kind of bullying or any kind of sexism or anything like that. People were very supportive and were encouraging, okay, she's one of the few female gamers, so we should support females and put them forward and stuff like that. So it's been amazing. I've been doing YouTube for a year now and it's amazing. I every day just get up and want to create better and better content. So yeah, the journey has been amazing till now. First thing would be, if you're becoming a YouTuber, you have to be consistent, because consistency is the key. If you're not consistent, YouTube will not recommend your videos to anyone. Secondly, if you're opening a gaming channel, you don't need to spend a lot of money on your setup, like a very high-end PC or a very high-end, headphones or anything like that. You can buy something mid-range. Just make sure that you have a very nice headphone and a very nice keyboard and a mouse setup. Other than that, you can have a normal gaming laptop or a normal PC. If you're looking for mobile games, all you need is like a good mobile phone and a capture card and a laptop, and you should be set. If you're looking for PC game, you might have to spend a little extra, but just focus on 3 things: your headphones, your keyboards, and your mouse, and you should be good to go. If you're playing, make sure to take care of your physical health. Make sure you have the right posture, you have the right neck angle and everything, because in the long run, it can be like a big problem for you if you don't maintain your posture and your physical health right now. Take breaks and make sure you have good eye gaze as well, because you'll be looking into the screen for a very long time. So take care of your eyes, take care of your back and your neck and all of these things. It's very different. Honestly, I visited like an esports, very big international esports company last year in Paris. And I went there and I was so shocked, like the difference there is internationally in the things that like gaming internationally and gaming in India is a vast difference. And that's also because gaming in India just started like 2 years back, the industry started growing. But internationally, the gaming industry has been growing for years. In India, primarily still entertainment or comedy is like one of the top genres, but internationally gaming is the biggest thing right now, and soon it will be in India as well. But so yeah, like I mentioned, like how I visited that esports organization's office in Paris, and it was completely different game. Each gamer had their own what do you call them, like a physical consultant, like proper doctors who are taking care of their postures and their physical health 24/7 and making sure they're getting proper rest and they're eating proper diet and stuff like that. So in India, that doesn't really happen. Usually the people who enter esports are 18 above kids who get really absorbed into gaming and kind of ignore their physical health. So these are the aspects that are really taken care of internationally. Internationally, I think PC gaming is much bigger market. In India, mostly it's mobile gaming and FPS games like Free Fire and BGMI. So yeah, internationally it's more of PC gaming, but ideally that's because in India PCs are very expensive for normal middle class people to get their hands on. So I think a lot of companies are working on like a mid-range affordable PC. So once that comes, the Indian gaming scenario would develop also a lot. So yeah, I think these are the primarily differences that I saw in international and Indian gaming industry. Ideally, first, I would recommend that try your hands on. If you love a very particular game that you want to go ahead with, there are a lot of people who do this, who try their hands on multiple games at the same time, and then they feel like they're not getting very perfect and pro in any of the games. So the first thing would be to make a priority and figure out which game do you want to go ahead in. It could be any game, it could be Valorant, CSGO, BGMI, Free Fire, any of these games you can try your hands on. So first thing would be to figure out which exact game are you looking at. And secondly, don't always make sure that you don't put all your time into one game. You can have one game as a priority, play it for like 6-7 hours or whatever, and have 2 or 3 hours just for fun so you can enjoy gaming as an activity as well. So that's there. Secondly, as I said, make sure that your physical health is the most important thing. So make sure that you're taking care of it, you're giving rest to your eyes, get good guests to take care of your health. And thirdly, try not to spend a lot initially when you're starting out on your gears, on your mobile phone or your PC or something like that. Once you're getting better, you can obviously keep upgrading, but try not to spend a lot initially. And I think, yeah, these are about it. आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं फ्री फायर। ये कैरेक्टर के साथ तो मैं गेम नहीं खेलूंगी, मुझे सबसे पहले एक नया कैरेक्टर चाहिए।
Solta o som.
Agora o bicho
अरे
vai
यार,
pegar.
मैं डीजे आलोक लूंगी, मुझे पता है डीजे आलोक बहुत फेमस है।
É hora do show. Agora o bicho vai pegar. Agora o bicho vai pegar.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
क्या बोल रहा है समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट ठीक है, ये ले लेते हैं।
यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी क्रमांक 128008 सुपरफास्ट समता एक्सप्रेस थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आ रही है।
अरे वाह यार, ये तो फुल ऐसे, अरे यार इसमें मस्त ऐसे स्केटबोर्ड करके उतरता है ना, बढ़िया लगता है। बदतमीज होगा, मारेगा, मेरे को मारेगा। इनको पता नहीं है क्या कितनी बड़ी प्लेयर हूं मैं। जबरदस्ती का मेरे से पंगा ले रहे हैं, पता है जब मेरे से पंगा लेंगे तो मरेंगे यार। एक तो मुझे पता भी नहीं है कि इस गेम में बढ़िया गन कौन सी होती है। गाइस प्लीज कमेंट करके बताओ कि गेम में बेस्ट गन कौन सी है। हालांकि मैं उसका बहुत बढ़िया यूज तो नहीं कर पाऊंगी, बट फिर भी बता दो कमेंट में यार कौन सी गन बढ़िया है। ये डीजे आलोक कुछ स्पेशल पावर्स नहीं है क्या? इतना पैसा देके लिया है, देखो कोई बढ़िया काम नहीं करता है क्या तू? ओ मम्मी, कोई भी आके ना अब इसे कमेंट सेक्शन में ऐसा कूल नहीं बनेगा कि ये तो बॉट मार रही है, ये तो बॉट मार रही है। ये बॉट वॉट कुछ नहीं होता है, ये सब गेम वालों ने ना अफवाहें फैला कर रखी है। मैं बहुत प्रो प्लेयर हूँ यार। टोटल गेमिंग प्लीज इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस, आप मुझे अपनी टीम में लीजिए। अरे अरे मुझे कौन मार रहा है? धूम मचा ले, धूम मचा ले, धूम। अरे यार, सलमान भाई की ट्रेनिंग काम आई आज। थैंक यू सल्लू भाई। कूल बन रहा है बड़ा, कूल बनेगा तू बड़ा। अरे 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 भैया भैया भैया, बहुत प्रो प्लेयर हूँ यार। अरे वाह, हमें रिवॉर्ड मिला है।
जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है।
यार ये डीजे आलोक का तो क्या हाल कर दिया है मैंने। चल रे टकला। कौन है भाई? अब मार के भागता कहाँ है? मार के भागता कहाँ है? इधर 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 कहाँ गया मेरा? पकड़म पकड़ाई खेलने का शौक है। हाँ, पकड़म पकड़ाई खेलने का शौक है। मार के भागेगा।
जोगिंदर फरा भाई जोगिंदर।
Where are the more peoples is the? मारती हूँ मैं हूँ सामान लेने, ये लोग गरीब भिखारी चले आते हैं। अरे रुको रुको रुको, मेरे को ले चलो, मेरे को ले चलो भाई, रुको। अरे अरे सुन रहे हो? अरे यार ये गेम का प्रॉब्लम ही यही है, कोई किसी को स्क्वाड में खेलना ही नहीं है, सब अपना अलग अलग ही खेलने में लगे रहते हैं। जब अलग अलग ही खेलना है तो स्क्वाड में मत आओ ना, सोलो खेला करो। पीछे दौड़ रही हूँ मैं इसके कि भैया गाड़ी में ले लो, गाड़ी में ले लो।
मेरी कोई फीलिंग नहीं है।
गजब बेइज्जती है यार। अरे रुक जाओ यार, ले चलो ना साथ में। तू रुक, मैं अपना बदला लेती हूँ। चल हट। कब से मैं दौड़ रही हूँ कि अरे 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 कुत्ते कमीने, मम्मी।
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
ढोलना आयो रे आयो रे आयो रे मारो ढोलना। सिर्फ 8 लोग बचे हैं यार, ये तो मैं कर ही सकती हूँ। इस गेम में तो बूया पक्का है। अरे ये क्यों मेरी गाड़ी मार रहा है यार? बड़े बदतमीज आदमी हो तुम। ऐसे टीममेट से होना तो ना ही टीममेट होना बेटर। क्या कर दिया मेरी गाड़ी का? रुक, तेरे कुत्ते को मारती हूँ मैं। कुत्ते को मार सकते हैं? वाह, एक तो मेरा एम इतना A1 है। अरे 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 बंदे 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 बंदे। बाकी आज के वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना। अगर चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और नीचे कमेंट करके बताना कि वीडियो कैसी लगी।